Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to learn about Odoo XML-RPC. It means the JSON connectivity, external connectivity with Odoo and other platform to exchange the data between Odoo to other platform and other platform to Odoo. So for that we have XML RPC concept in Odoo, and if we go with the Python, so we have some libraries and we can use that library and perform the CRUD operations, right? So let's say I have prepared example script. So if we go here, so this is Python file I prepared. So this is library XMLRPC.client, which we need to install in our Python version. So this is I imported, and then I just added URL of our Odoo. So this is the URL, whatever you have domain, subdomain, etc., right? You just need to add here. uh, Make sure you don't have to add some like last this kind of just add here domain, subdomain, etc. So I added this, and then our database name. So if we activate developer mode, then we see the technical name, the database actual name. So I added here this, and to share the data with Odoo and other platform, we must have like a super user access, right? It means like admin user access, so you can access everything. So I have used here admin user password and credential, like username and password. So I can access everything, whatever the access right with admin user. So this is I just added URL, database name, username, password, and then using this server proxy uh, object, we are like building bridge between Odoo and our script. So we are creating common object using this like method XMLRPC dot client dot server proxy, and here our URL. It means in this connection, in this URL, it will connect with this controller. So if you search in Odoo, somewhere they prepared this kind of structure where we receive external request, right? So you can see they have in Odoo they have added something which is a bit technical. So this is like fixed, right, URL, and this XMLRPC slash 2 slash common, this is version, right? And then this using this common object we will authenticate with Odoo with that specific database, because in the same domain maybe we have multiple database, right? So we target only this specified database, the username and password, right? So it will create a user ID, right? So then we will create like we will connect with models, right? So this is to access the models. So this is the uh, controller. So we are creating models connections, and then we print here UID. It means the user ID which is connected, right? And then we can perform CRUD operations. So I just write here for the example. Using these models we can execute like a keyword argument. So this is fixed schema. So let's say models dot execute kw, and database UID that connected, and password of, and then the object in which you want to perform any operations. So currently we will connect here with the context, and so it means the model name of this context is res.partner, right? So this is the model of context, and here this is the create method. So we are creating the context, and then we will fill whatever the information. So the name and email address, phone, company type, it means the individual or company, right? And then we print that created contact ID, right? So if we go here and let's say if I execute this script, then you can see connected as user id 2 and contact created 96 number, right? So you can see just here created, here you can see 96 number external id, and it's created this name, phone number, email, right? So now let's say we will add here another to read this data. So let's say I added another function to read the created contact, right? So whatever the contact created, so let's say for now I just delete this. So we will execute script again. So this is just the same model execution, just read method and the created contact. So if let's say if you want to read this, then you need to give 11 here, right? And so let's say, and if we created this and if we want to execute, I mean read this context, then we need to give this contact created id here and what fields to read. So we are just reading name, email and phone, right? So let's see, let me execute the script again. So first it connected and then created context and then read. So if I refresh here, you can see this 97 number contact created, and then it read this created contact from Odoo, right? So let's say this is name, email, phone, right? And then we will see how to update. But let's say currently we read this created, but let's say if I want to read some already, let's say this context, right? So this is 53 number. If I give here 53 and I disable this created, so it will just only read, you see, right? So we can read any data in Odoo, and then let's say this is created, then read, and now we will update the created context. So let's say this is same method, uh, models dot execute kw, and this is model name, function method means write, and we just write phone number, right? So let's say here, let me delete this, and now it will create, read and update, right? So if I execute the script again, you can see now if I refresh here, you can see this, you can see here first it added this context and then changed, right? It means updated. So it, in this way we can update context. Let me first delete this, and now we will see with the existing Odoo, let's say this is 53 number id, right? So we will update 53 number id here, let's say 53 number id. So you can understand how we can update existing records. You can see it's updated. If I refresh this Odoo page, then you can see they have updated this phone number, right? So in this way we can update the records. And now this is to delete the context. So this is same the just here change the Odoo method. So this all like unlink, write, read, create, these are the Odoo methods, right? It means we need to execute Odoo methods for that specific object from external script, right? So from this Python script we run this res partner unlink method and we pass this specific contact id, so it will remove. So here first it will create, read, update and delete, right? So let's say you can see it's deleted also, right? Will not find here because it's already deleted, right? Let me create a new one, test contact, right? And if I save here, then id is 100 number, right? So if I test contact, you can see here 100 number, right? So now if I disable all this and just only delete, so if I pass here 100, so you can see it will delete existing record. So you can see it's deleted. If I check here, then it will removed, right? Test contact, you can see it deleted, right? So in this way we can perform the CRUD operation. We can connect external like tool with the Odoo and perform this CRUD operation. We can create, read, write, right, update, delete. So this is useful, this XML RPC concept in Odoo to connect it's like very useful if you have any mobile application that perform Odoo. You are connecting something and you have something external platform where you reading Odoo data, so where it is also useful, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very much.